Hey guys, sorry I haven't been on in a while. There's been a lot of things going on, so, yeah, I just got chinnkni in the mail, and this is gonna be my first ever time trying it, so I'm opening it up right now, and we're gonna try it out. I'm kind of scared. I've seen some videos, like, I'm kind of scared to, like, sniff something up, because usually I do a tissue, but, yeah, I guess I'm willing to try it. I kind of have a headache right now anyway as well, so this is supposed to like help your headaches and stuff. But yeah, oh my god, this is like really messy when I open it already, so we're just gonna, I gotta clean this shit off my hands. Sorry, I haven't been on in like forever, but I have been active on my account since the last video I made. I actually had to private it because I was just scared that like people that I knew were gonna find out about this channel, and so I just kind of like made it disappear in a way. Like I feel kind of bad for like all you fans, but yeah, now I'm gonna have to be doing black screens for a bit and just do some audio. So I just opened it. I don't know how this stuff works, but I'm just gonna try it. I'm kind of scared, but you know, why not? And it might take a while, so if it's silent for like a while, I'm sorry. Also, if you have any like more requests with the chinnkni, I'm not gonna do a face reveal yet because, like I said, I don't really want people that I know to maybe find out, even though this is kind of like a weird way to find out that I have a YouTube channel. But anyway, I'm gonna just dab some on my finger. There's I got a pack of 4 bottles, and it seems to have like a decent amount of powder in each one, so like I'm kind of surprised because it said 2 grams. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but you know. Okay, I have some on my finger. I'm just gonna put it up one nostril for now just to see how it works. I think this is too much. I grabbed a little too much. Sorry, I'm just rambling. I'm just trying to figure this out. This looks like fucking weed, but you know, we're gonna try it. Okay, I'm gonna sniff on the side where I have the headache, so. Shit, I'm scared. Okay. Ooh. Oh, here they come. Cool. My eyes are watering so much. Oh my god, my eyes are watering so much already. I wasn't expecting it to hit this hard. Oh my god. Just trying to... Oh my god. False start. I wasn't expecting it to work this fast. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna try it out the other one once I'm done. Holy shit, that worked fast. My eyes are watering so much. Okay. I think that's it for that nose. I'm just gonna sniff it up the other one. Okay. Whew. That like worked immediately. Holy crap. It stung for a second, to be honest, but I think that's just because I've never done this kind of thing before. My nose is just running. Okay. Just gonna sniff some more up the other nostril so I can get like double. Okay. This shit's getting on my floor. Okay, I gotta blow my nose a bit. I'll just wipe it off because it's a little much. It's kind of stinging now. Oh, fuck. It's stinging a lot. I don't know if that's normal, but it's okay. it worked really well, actually. Okay. I'm just gonna stop this video here, but that was my first time using chinnkni, and sorry for all the rambling, but it included a little update, so hope you guys enjoyed.